Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. Yet another video on making beautiful designing on this plain blouse to convert into new designer blouse. And without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. For this designing, I'd be using gold sequins of small size, also rice grain shape, gold metallic beads of small size, also sugar beads. And let's quickly start with this design. I had already highlighted the neckline. For that I had used two different sizes of chain ball lace, and next to that I would be joining the beads of rice grain, also sugar bead, with the sequence in this way, both opposite to each other. Like this we have to give the stitch slantingly. The next one in the center, so 4 beads I will be stitching here. The order is the rice grain bead, next to the sugar bead with the sequence, 3 inserting at a time, and like this we have to give the joining for these beads. These beads are available in different sizes and different shapes. All these materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box if you want, check it. Leaving a little gap of 1 centimeter length. The same way I'd be stitching the joining of these beads. It's a customized pattern and very creative, unique designing. So like this, maintaining the equal gap, the same way I'll join all the beads on this neckline. Randomly I'd give an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace also, so that even after the frequent washes it will not come out. Once the beads work is done, this is how it looks. And on the leftover space I had joined the same way of joining the beads randomly, leaving the same gap maintaining. Here I'd be marking with the pencil, maintaining the equal gap. On this I'll join sequence, sugar bead with the rice grain, all 3 at a time. And now expanding this design using these framed kundans of different colors, red, green and drop shape kundan of blue color. In the leftover gaps I would be applying the glue like this. This is to stick drop shape framed kundans along with the kundan of blue color. This is how we have to stick it. Using the multicolors like this type, the shades like yellow, red, green, black, this type of design blouse we can try like the multi-purpose, not only on the single saree, multiple ways we can wear it. So that is why I am using the different colors of 3 colored kundans, and in between these beads I would be sticking red and green color alternatively. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, and this type of designing is really very cost efficient and less time taking. Now on the leftover gaps also I'd be applying the glue lines to stick these different colors of kundans like this. Next to that I'd be using rhinestones with the circular designed frames. This is to stick besides the drop shape kundan. For that I'd be applying the glue to stick. and like this I'll design it on the sleeve opening also. Once completed, the pattern would look like this. This is towards the another side of the neckline. The final lookout would look like this, and I had also given the same neckline designing on the waistline also. This is how the saree with the beautiful designing blouse would look. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Brings me to you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.